In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download the right Qatar Airways app on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so downloading the right Qatar Airways app is quite simple. Just go ahead and look for Play Store on your Android smartphone and then tap on it. From here, look for search bar here, or if you can't see the search bar, go ahead and tap on search here. And this will go ahead and open the search bar. Just type in Qatar Airways and you can see here it is. So this is the only app with that name. So you can see it is here. Go ahead and tap on it. Now here is the app Qatar Airways. This is the company Qatar Airways. So make sure it is from Qatar Airways company. At the time of recording this, had a star rating of 4.5 with over 62,000 reviews, and the app is averagely 95 MBs. Also, at the time of recording this app has over 10 million downloads, and you can see the logo of the app. This is the right app. To get it, go ahead and tap on install, and this will go ahead and download this Qatar Airways app on your Android smartphone, and then install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, now you can proceed and tap on open, or if you go back and go to your apps, you should be able to see Qatar Airways app installed on your smartphone. So that's how you can download the right Qatar Airways app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.